Namaste, and welcome to the latest installment of Yoga Muse, Graceful Living on and Off the Mat. I'm Ann DePrado, owner of Rise Yoga Studio, and I'm here today to talk a little bit about meditation. I'm going to be teaching a meditation workshop coming up starting on Monday, June 27th. It will be 6 Monday evenings from 7:15 until 8:30. So I wanted to take a little bit of time just to talk about what meditation is and some of the benefits and what we'll be doing in the workshop. So if you've been practicing yoga for a while and you've been doing asana, pranayama with us, when it comes time for final relaxation, you may notice that you're able to release thoughts and become more restful and more peaceful. And what meditation is about is actually quieting the mind, getting rid of the noise and the background distractions that come with daily living. And by being able to sit in a supported posture and find some relaxation, we can begin to clear the mind and create this meditative state for ourselves. There's many benefits to meditation, and some of them include reducing stress in our lives, reducing the stress hormones in the body, slowing down the breath, slowing down the heart center as well. So through all of these benefits, we find a greater sense of peace and able to find our purpose in life. We can open ourselves to those little insights, those little messages that happen through the meditation process. So in the workshop, we'll be taking a look at different meditation techniques. Not one way is right for everyone. So we'll be taking a look at using visualization, using mantra. We'll talk about the 12 principles of meditation and how to set up a space for yourself at home. So what you'll end up coming away with is a meditation practice that you can continue at home and a deeper understanding of just what meditation is and those techniques that you can employ to get you into that state. So I encourage you to maybe take a look at the description for the workshop as well and come out and join us. You'll learn a lot and it'll be a lot of fun as well. Namaste.